What is up, guys? It is Captain Chewy here. Guys, I am so excited today to be bringing you the next tournament. This is Mr.P Mosh and Krusher D versus MB Kusha and HVAC guy. This
Deep state alert! Deep state alert! What's up, y'all? This is a big country tournament. The deep state's trying to take over, but we ain't gonna let them. The deep state's trying to take over, but we ain't gonna let them.
Yeah, let's go, buddy. Oh my gosh, dude, how did you get into my channel?
You're in Dumas.
Oh my goodness, bro! I don't even understand, bro. Like you cut out my messages yesterday. I didn't even get to cover Aliens match. I mean, it was just and now you've fully taken over. We hear everything. I don't understand. Okay. Anyways,
Hey, bro, it's not for you to understand. Guess what the deep state wants.
all right. I'll live with that. So I guess since you're here, let's do this. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it. I'm excited, man. Let's do it.
All right. Let's jump into the next battle. All right, guys. Here we are in Mr. P Mosh. Taking on Ransom.
P-Mosh clearing some mines and Ransom.
Good smokes there. Taking a little fire.
Mosh is a top-notch warrior player. He knows what he's doing. Mexican cartel.
I agree. The Mexican boss, man. The Mexican guitar.
This ransom setup was, luckily for P-Mosh, was it's pretty light on the fences around the corner. Got a good roll here.
Very nice roll here. Getting the shocks down. Bullet blocking the only flamethrower. What a hit.
Perfect. Yeah. And victory screeches deep state. Yo, we got the
With a little Smeanus. Little chode there.
Oh, we got a Smeanus. Oh, you don't often see Smeanuses in the tournament play. That's top notch from there. No surprise though from one of our best warrior players, Mr. P Mosh. Would you agree?
I would agree. So let's jump into the next one. Here we go. We're in Mr. MB Kusher now. Got a couple smokes out. The Wham Bam Warrior Cam. Let's go.
Krusher. Good hit. He's one of the first people I met when I came into Web.
Super good line there.
That is a good walk. Got the smokes around the core.
Let's go.
Perfect setup. Shocks out. Taunt.
Some love.
It's going down. I think it's going down. Is there enough warriors alive? There is so far.
There is so far. Oh, this is so close. Boom. Oh, yeah. Victory screech. Beautiful job there.
Nice hit by Krusher.
So they're pretty even now. That's pretty good scores. Let's jump into the next one. HVAC guy is up next on Pandora.
All right, HVAC guy, dude. The real OG. The man.
Yeah, Paradox. Yeah.
See, I haven't seen too many deep state shenanigans from aliens.
Right? Nice ground flare. Smokes around the core.
Really nice. Ooh, they spread a little bit. No, I don't think so. Good enough.
Got that tauntaun. Oh, look. It's looking good. Looking good.
He threw those critters out there.
Booyah. That's what I'm talking about. Let's jump into the next one.
Nice hit, OG.
All right, guys. Here we are in the next one. The Krusher. Krusher D.
Draw by the Krusher. He's one of the web journeys. Let's see if we can hang. A little bit of a tough walk there. I'll have to get a lesson from Mr.P. Mosh there.
Right. A little gap
Smokes around
there.
the core.
Looking good.
He's just got enough to get it.
Oh, yeah. Got his shocks off good. I just think he just lost a lot on that walk.
Yeah, he definitely lost some
Oh, look at that. Got him from the back.
So close. Still a pretty good hit for first hit ever in the Warrior tourney. Still a pretty good hit.
Absolutely.
For a big hunter boom.
Might have been the first time we took her from the back, right? From those rocket launchers. Guys, that's awesome. So that was round one. So round one, that puts MB Krusher and HVAC up 282 points, and PMosh and Krusher D with the 215. So let's see what happens in the next round. Here we go. All right, guys, here we are with the next round. MB Krusher is in first.
MB Crush keeping his team in this thing with that good hit on ransom, but any good Mexican cartel member would. We'll see if MB Crusher can set him back with his hit.
Looking good so far. This is a pretty standard hit. We see that. We see this. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Go ahead.
We see this one quite a bit. So it's kind of a staple of our guys.
Yeah, definitely.
Ooh, took a lot of fire there.
Look at that timing though of clearing those mines right before the flare. That was impressive.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's so close. Oh.
Ooh, he's gonna get it. He might get it.
Oh gosh, that was so close. Oh my gosh.
That was close.
Rockets from behind. Taking it again.
The rocket launchers have been nasty today. The rocket launchers have been nasty today. They gotta shake their
Beautiful. All right, let's jump into the next one. All right, guys, here we are in the next Strange Attractors with PMosh. We love this one around here.
Yeah, it's always a fun hit. I've seen PMosh do this one. But he knows the technique better than anyone.
Oh, Wasn't able to get any more hacks off. He only got the one hack off. Hopefully that's enough.
Yeah. There was a rocket launcher right there next to where that flamethrower is. So that might present a little bit of a new challenge on this one. But I think as long as you get that shock launcher off, I think that's.
All right, there we go. The Wham Bam Warrior Cam is out.
See if Alien doing any of his deep state shenanigans there. He might be trying to prevent another Mexican champion from winning.
Keeping it all under shock. That rocket launcher's hurting.
Doing good so far. Lasers are taking a little toll. Big control. Oh, that flames. I think he's gonna
Reflare. Hitting the core. Ooh, critter box. Taking a lot of fire here and just hanging in.
Did he throw a little? That is set up perfectly. I think it's looking good so far.
There goes the shield gens.
There goes the field. That's the old big country fire.
Holy cow. Those troops are taking a licking and just keep on kicking. Boom. Beautiful job, Mr.P. Mosh, the Mexican cartel boss.
From Lion and El Chapo's right hand.
All right, let's go to the next one. Here we are in the Krusher D. Let's see if he is able to get that.
Krusher D going in for Waterloo. I don't know. That's a tough hit with the Warriors. We don't often see Waterloo solos. Not at 215 force points.
Right. Yeah, he might be joining the FarmersOnly.com club.
FarmersOnly.com. I'm not certain I understand the strategy here, but he might have been just trying to get some GBE, I think.
Yeah? Got a few warriors left. I mean, he might be able to do something.
Yeah.
P-Mosh was definitely set up for the first hit.
Yeah, the question is...
Oh, there's two more warriors.
Oh, nice. The question is, can P-Mosh shoulders with a newbie, but solid guy, Drago Krusher, that's the question. We'll see.
It definitely looks like he farmed on the right side, now he's farming on the left side. Good strategy, trying to get some points here.
Yeah, he's definitely trying to get some sales, some defenses. The only thing is, as we know, because of like the massive amounts of mines. But I think he's gonna be able to get some points here.
But will it be enough to keep him in the tournament?
Will it be enough? I don't know. Krusher, MB Krusher, and OG is a pretty tough team to beat. But we'll see. I don't know. Can P-Mosh take this team on his shoulders?
done pretty good. I mean, he's got 25 points so far.
Yeah, not bad, not bad.
I mean, and if you look at his landing crafts, they're not max landing crafts, so he's not got his full potential either.
Yeah, this is tough because he's a level 51, and most people in the web tournaments are like max.
Right.
He's definitely 51 player, but
And the tenacity.
yes, exactly. The tenacity.
Still got a couple critters getting on their way. Get that last one. Ended up with 26 points. Not bad for a farm job on Waterloo. Waterloo is definitely a hard one, like you said, with all the mines and everything. So Willows, I think he's holding out at 211 points right now. Will MB Krusher and HVAC guy, will their next hit be able to push him over the mark and win? Let's find out. All right, guys, here we are in HVAC. The last attack will HVAC be able to pull it out the victory for MB Krusher and HVAC guy to beat P Mosh and Krusher.
So my numbers are correct. First hit and set this up. If HVAC guy can take this down, I think that seals the deal against El Chapo's right-hand man and Drago Krusher.
Definitely a great push for those guys.
Yeah. Nice walk from HVAC guy.
Boom! Beautiful job there. So
That was a great finish.
that ends up HVAC gives them 155 points for this round, putting their total score up to 437 points. Mr. P Mosh and Mr. Krusher D end up with 426 points, guys. So that ends up they win by just a few points. Such a close battle, especially for the newbie and the Mexican cartel to join up and to lose just by a few points.
Yeah, definitely. I agree. It was always going to be a tough match against two veterans, HVAC guy, Real OG, and MB Krusher. But I think with a little practice, Drago has the potential to have a great showing in the next tournament. P-Mosh really took this team on his shoulders, and he is MB Krusher and OG, but it was a great performance from Drago and P-Mosh, and congratulations.
Awesome. Yep, amazing job. Mr. Deep State Bay, thank you for coming in here and crashing the party, man. Whatever powers may be, they got you in here. Dude, I mean, thanks for coming up and hosting with me. Hopefully we'll get to watch your battle in just a little bit and see what's going on with it.
Thanks for having me. Yuri, the Russian hacker, he was working with the Deep State. He got me in here, dude. So you can thank him. But thanks for having me, Stewie. It was really fun, man. Always happy to be a guest on your streams, buddy.
Awesome, buddy. Thank you for the big country takeover. Keep it real. Get those victory screech. Victory screech. Have a great day, guys.